Canada.
They're holding your uncle inside. The walls are too high to climb. We could cause a distraction. Sneak in.
No. We walk in the front gate. Khotun Khan set fire to our best swordsman. Humiliated my uncle. Butchered the warriors of Tsushima. I'm going to repay his kindness.
They're repeating the same mistakes that got your friends killed.
That's what the Mongols will think. But this time, I'll strike first. Wait here until I finish them. I've come for Lord Shimura.
To share.
You did it!
Don't sound surprised.
What's all that noise?
Not sure. The Mongols fired them off at the beach.
What's all that noise?
Not sure. The Mongols fired them off at the beach.
What's all that noise?
Not sure. The Mongols fired them off at the beach.
What's all that noise?
Not sure. The Mongols fired them off at the beach.
What's all that noise?
Not sure.
What's that? What's all that noise?
Not sure. The Mongols fired them off at the beach.
What's all that noise?
Not sure. Not sure.
What's all that noise?
Not sure. The Mongols fired them off at the beach.
Keep moving! We can't retreat!
What's all that noise?
Not sure. Not sure. The Mongols fired them off at the beach.
Keep moving! We can't retreat!
that noise? What's that? What's all that noise?
Not sure. Mongols fired them off at the beach.
Keep moving!
What's all that noise?
Not sure. Mongols fired them off at the beach.
What's all that noise?
Not sure. Mongols fired them off at the beach.
Keep moving! We can't
What's all that noise?
Not sure. The Mongols fired them off at the beach.
What's all that noise?
Not sure. The Mongols fired them off at the beach.
What's all that noise?
Not sure. The Mongols fired them off at the beach.
keep moving! We can't retreat!
What's all that noise?
Not sure. Mongols fired them off at the beach.
Keep moving! We can't retreat!
We can't keep going!
I have to. Fall back.
Alone?
Keep the path clear. When I find Lord Shimura, we'll need a quick escape.
I'll get the horses ready.
Do it. If I'm not back soon, ride for the forest.
Face me! Yarayuchi Guara Tenye! She needs to really get don't stop! Who will fight? Sotoko Yasin! Stand and fight me! El Day Ashiglach! Samurai! Gotchen Oven! Stand and fight! Who will face me first? Draw your blades! Ujuk, Salvaku, Alaruki! Odo yandak balokwi! Jin Sakai, nephew of Lord Shimura. I have come to avenge his honor.
Jin, your uncle has told me much about you, Jin Sakai. I will show him his nephew, broken and humiliated, begging to join the Mongol Empire.
Jin!
This is your time, Lord Sakai. Here, little bird. Uncle is watching. Submit, Lord Sakai. Slit your throat! Enough. Surrender. Show your uncle how easily he can bring peace to your home. Save yourself.
I failed. Again. Father.
Jin. Help me.
May your death benefit all beings.
Young master, it's time.
I'm coming, Yuriko.
The whole island has come to mourn your father.
Can't you send them away?
You must face them, Jin. You are now the master of Clan Sakai.
Yes.
You're not alone, Jin. Your father is the wind at your back. Your mother, the birds in the trees.
And Uncle?
He will tell you at your father's pyre.
Thank you, Yuriko.
If you ever need guidance, Clan Adachi will help you.
Your father protected the people above all else. A true samurai.
I couldn't save him. I was a coward.
Jin, you are a samurai.
He died because of me.
Your father fell in battle saving his only son. His reward is a warrior's death. Now you will carry on his legacy. Your father's spirit resides within this blade. He is always with you. Tomorrow, you will come to my fortress as my ward. Today, say goodbye to your father.
Father. How do I save him?
Move!
Yuna,
Come on!
Yuna.
Jin! What happened?
I found Lord Shimura. I could have saved him. But the Khan was there. I failed my uncle.
At least you're in one piece.
I swore to protect this island with my life. But now the Mongols have stolen our home. Killed our samurai.
You forgot what it's like to fight someone stronger than you. To feel weak. Sometimes when you're staring death in the face, you have to do whatever it takes to survive.
The Khan expects to fight a war against the samurai. He will anticipate our every move. Unless we find new ways to surprise him. That's how we'll save Lord Shimura. And retake our home.
You'll need some help.
Raiders. The Khan's attack dogs.
There's too many of them! Hide! In the grass! They must be searching for you. Bastards scared off the horses.
They're samurai mounts, trained to return to their masters.
Nice trick. The Mongols must be hunting you.
We should split up. I'll draw their attention while you escape.
I'm not leaving your side until we've saved my brother.
First, I need to find more allies. Trained warriors. Like Sensei Ishikawa and Lady Masako Adachi. They can help.
My brother can help too. Once we save him, you'll have the island's best blacksmith in your debt. He'll make whatever tool you need to save your uncle.
Something to scale the castle walls?
You dream it, Taka can make it.
Where are they holding him?
He was captured near Kechi.
Ride there and ask around. I'll join you soon.
Taka won't last long in the Mongol cage.
Yuna. We will save your brother.
And your uncle.